Hi everyone, it is Wednesday and I hope you had a lovely sleep even though it was windy, because I didn't get any sleep. I'm knackered, didn't even want to get out of bed this morning and I desperately needed coffee. So today I'm going to be wearing something comfy. Just check out mine. Yes, I got this yesterday and I love it and I need to decide what I'm going to put with it. You ready? I just thought it looks beautiful. Doesn't it look stunning? Comfy, casual. Now because of it, I'm on the hunt for a pair of black joggy bottoms or cream. But they've got to be the right ones. I don't want anything that's like flapping at the bottom. I want ones that have got like the, you know, like they're quite tight around the ankle. I love them ones because they look lush for Converse. So that's the kind I'm after. So there we go. Just take the tag off. And then I don't know what I'm wearing it with. I've got my black jeans again. I might be a tramp and wear them again. I don't know. It's quite exciting. But let's get this on. So I've just come out the shower and it is freezing. I did not want to climb in there today, I tell you. Oh, but at least my hair's all clean. Well, look at it. It looks greasy again. I'm fed up with it. I'm getting it sorted. That's what I need to do today. I need to get in touch with a hairdresser, get my hair sorted, find some joggers. I need a new shower curtain. I wanted to put this on. I know, don't laugh. I'm going to just try it. Humorous. Just humour. I don't know why, but I'm feeling it. Do you know that? And I need to think about stuff you've got in your wardrobe. So this skirt, I don't even know what brand it is, but I got it from a charity shop ages ago. And I just love the idea of that. Imagine that with some tights and some long boots. I wish it wasn't like that at the front, mind. Who done that? Look, I'm wearing shorts, don't I? Look at that. But I do like this skirt. It's quite cute and it feels lovely. I'm very tempted, but it is very windy out there. No. Let's put some pants on. Wish I had some joggy bottoms that colour, but I don't. Oh, never mind. Put me trusted black jeans on. Yeah? Let's just keep it simple today. I honestly can't be bothered. I'm pushing myself. Yeah, do you ever get days like that? I just could have stayed in bed. But that's not going to achieve anything, is it? No. Right. So I'm up, I'm at him, need a coffee, and I'm all dressed. See, and I love this jumper. So this is new look. I think it was 22. Hang on. It was £22.99. I think that's a bargain because I think it looks so pretty. You will need a light colour bra, hence why I'm not wearing the black one. I've got a few different black ones, but only one of the cream ones. So I need a white one, a nice white one. But I promised last night when I did the live, I was going to show you. So yesterday I was walking along the street, and you know how people are joking at the minute that the wind pushed them into a pub? Well, the wind pushed me into a couple of charity shops. The British Red Cross. That's all you're seeing so far. Look at that. That's all you're seeing. I'll show you. But right now I have to go and this lot needs washed. So and then I'll show you. That's all you're seeing. You have to wait. Put that in. Right. Now, tonight I'm doing a makeup lucky dip in the subscribers group. And it's not going to be easy because it always turns out horrific. Like it always does. So, it's going to be fun. Not. Hang on, I don't want woolly hair. I'm going to have to put it up like this. Trying to get my hair up without it going pumpy. Do you know what I mean? I need a loose one. Oh, I quite like that. Hair's much better when it's like brand new clean, isn't it? When you do it all the time, it just wrecks it. And I've noticed at the front, like apart from the grey, but I'm thinner. Like I'm actually thinning. I'm fed up. Nothing to worry about. Right, forget about that. I'm not having a Neutrogena moment. I'm going to have a Superdrug moment. I'm going to do a Naturally Radiant, because I haven't done one of them in a while. 3 pumps on the fingers, feels just as nice. It smells amazing. It smells like you're at a salon. It's thicker, but it's not in an awful way. Do you know what I mean? It's got kiwi fruit and mulberry. Nice. So because I'm doing the live Lucky Dip tonight, it's going to be fun. I'm not putting any foundation on. I'm just going free range today. Free range. Not free range. Freestyle. Oh, this is... Some weird noises out there. It smells nice. It smells like you're at a spa and it feels good. I'm just draining my eyes. Just get rid of the puffiness. It's better. Right. I'm going to put a bit of brow on. So this is Timu. Just shaping them. See, I've been plucking my eyebrows, I've made a right mess. But I keep finding them and I think I need to pluck that. Get that on. Yeah, I'm really not feeling it today. But I've got loads to do. And you know, the days that you're not feeling it are the days you need to fight the most, if you can. I know it's not easy for everyone, but I know for me, and I'll be very careful about giving advice out on here now. I feel like whatever I say gets scrutinised and I'm fed up. I think that's another reason I didn't want to come on here today. I just feel like I can't do right for doing wrong, and it's just making us feel like, meh. Oh God, that doesn't come off. Right, so be careful. I hope you like your eyebrows highlighted, because it doesn't come off. That's Timu. Brilliant. Well, it's working. It's on. Very itchy booby. Right, okay. So now I'm going to do the... I'm not doing that after. I'm not doing that after a dark. Doesn't really matter, does it? I noticed yesterday I put the mascara on in such a way I looked like Big Bird. One eye was normal and the other eye looked all weird, and it was there all day. So depending on how you put your placement of your mascara, you can change your eye shape. I'll show you, but I'll have to correct it quickly. This is going to be a quick one, really. I'm trying to think which shoes to wear. So, oh, I tell you what, shall we put a bit of... No, I can't be bothered. I hope you don't mind. I just can't be bothered. I'm really not in a good mood this morning. Sorry. I was fine when I got up, and then you just, I don't know. I'm tired. That's probably what it is. I'm just tired. Oh, get rid of that. I just want to chill today. Chill. I've got nothing pressing. I've done most of my stuff. Just do some bits and pieces. Jordan wants us to make a piece of artwork for one of his walls, which I think I'd like to do. I'm feeling the itch to get my artwork out, so I might do that while I've got that enthusiasm for it, because you've really got to feel it. And sometimes when you're down, all your passions go out the window. But I have been wanting to get all my paints out, so I should really run with it, shouldn't I? So get me paint out. I do a nice paint and I do acrylic on canvas. Acrylic's actually quite hard to work with. I need to get like a bit like, you know, you've got white gesso and mediums to move the paint around with. I need to do one for the acrylic because it dries quite quick, so you've got to work with it quick, where with oil paintings you can kind of mix the colours, build it, and you've got lots of time before it dries. You haven't got with acrylic, so it's hard. You've got to manipulate it quickly. You've got to kind of know what you want to do, and you know me, I don't know anything, so I never know what I'm planning, so I need it. But I do love the colours choices you can get with acrylic, although they're getting there quite well with the oil paint now. Some of the oil paints are beautiful colours. Tell you what else I like doing as well, I love pastel drawing. I got loads of pastels, like pastel chalk. I'm trying to think what brand, is it Della Rowney? I'll get them out for you one day and have a little look. I love doing all stuff like that. I'm just really ramping my lashes up today with this not having any makeup on. I wanted to feel a little bit more alive. So when I'm feeling in this mood, the lashes get it. I really hope you all have a lovely day. And if you're feeling down as well, you can send us a message and I'll reply. Now I've been replying through voice message because seriously I'm getting inundated and it's hurting. I can't even type. I haven't been diagnosed or anything, but when I type mixed up. Somebody said dyslexia, dyspraxia, I don't know, I haven't got a clue. It was never picked up. But I do have bother typing, so it takes us forever to type something out because I have to keep going back over it. And when I look at it, it looks like I don't even know what the words are. So the voice thing's amazing. I found it yesterday, so I've got through all my replies. I've got loads more to do though, and then a load more come in. So I think everyone was a bit shocked to get a voice message off us. So I've got loads more replying to do, bear with us. But yes, you'll get a voice message off us. So don't be startled when you open up your messenger, because that's how I'm going to have to do from now on, if you don't mind. Because I can't type. What if someone's deaf? Just tell us, and then I'll do a typey one for you. Yeah. And if someone's blind, I'll do a voice one for you. I'll try my best. Okay. Right, are you ready? Let's do a little bit of this Fascinating by MAC. I just want a tiny bit because it just opens the eye, doesn't it? Loads of yous have gone and got this because of this. Look at that. And we'll do the eyeliner trick that I was telling you about. Hang on, I think that's making it look right. Put more there. Lips, lips, lips. What we're having on my lips? I want something nice today. We've got Charlotte Tilbury for Pillow Talk. I'm not feeling that one. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling this one, but it's very red. I might keep that for Valentine's Day. What's this one? No, that's not. What's that? Oh, look, let's do this. Let's see if I can get into it quick. 13 minutes. I always make things long, even when they don't have to be. I'm just terrible. Right, you ready? This is NYX Creme Brulee. And honestly, what a lovely colour. It's one of them colours that you want. You know when you just have days where you're just not really wanting much on, but you want to put a little bit of something on. I think that's a nice colour for that. Let's try it out. Oh, it smells nice. I've got it on my nose. My little mirror. Careful I don't drop it on my jumper because I might have to pick something else and I can't be bothered. Ooh. And it's windy out there, so I'm going to have to keep my hair up. It's very glossy and sticky. You could put a lip liner underneath it first if you wanted something extra, but I'm not that bothered. That is nice. So that's Creme Brulee NYX. And Debbie, I love this. I haven't had to take it off. I can take it in the shower. It's solid, it's sturdy, it hasn't come undone. I'm not worried about catching it. It's lovely. But there's people asking where you got it from, Debbie, and I don't know because I can't find it, but it's Nomination and it's beautiful. Right, so what would I wear shoe wise? I'm so tempted to just put my Uggs on, but I've been kind of keeping them as slippers in the house. I don't want to dirty them. Do you know what I mean? Tell you what would look really, really nice. This, funny enough, Primark. Obviously I'm going to put some socks on. That would work. But then that's a different kind of look. I want to be cut. Oh, I've got an idea. Right, I've got an idea. I want to wear something comfy. To wear that. I think I might actually. Yeah, I might wear these. Right, that's it. I've decided. I'm wearing them. Haven't worn them in a while because it's not been summer. But I love them. They're Gucci. Look at them. But we weren't really meant to wear them for work, so they kind of got left behind. But I do love them. They're like a tennis shoe. Yeah, they are. They're a tennis shoe. And they go lovely with jeans, and it looks nice with this top. Alternatively, I would have worn some Converse probably. Or like, oh, I've had these for ages. But I got them quite a while ago now. I do like them though. They're really comfy. Obviously, I'll put some little socks on. They're just smart, and they're flat as well. So you're not in like into heels. They're cool. Pull that up. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Happy days. Cool. We'll get some socks on. Coat wise, it's probably going to have to be either. It's going to have to be the black. I think that's the one, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's got to be, innit? Like I don't even think the brown. No, I'm happy with this. I'm loving the jeans, you know. I'm so glad someone mentioned get high up ones, because I was buying them down here and thinking, ugh, they're horrible. But I bought high-waisted, and I mean, yeah, you know, you pop over a bit and they're not massively comfy if you get the wrong size, but they're just brilliant. Like, really, I can't believe how comfy, and they're warm as well. I remember the last time I wore jeans, I felt very cold outside. I didn't feel cold yesterday in these, so when I went out chicken dinner, these are River Island 12 skinnies, but in hindsight, I should have went for a 14 because I have put a little weight on, so it's tight, but they're comfy enough, and I don't plan on keeping this, so it'll all work out. It'll come out in the wash. So that's my little look today. I might. There we go, sorted, done. I'm done. And perfume wise, it's got to be I don't know why I'm thinking this. I've kept off Coffee Club for a while because I had a funny feeling it was giving us headaches. Now, I don't know if it's a coincidence, but I've not had a headache in quite a while. I'll try it again and see how I go, but I've been waking up feeling okay. So I wore this yesterday and it smells lush. I'm going to try a little bit more of this, but not like loads. You don't need a lot. It's like everywhere. It's beautiful. Strawberry marshmallow, Burberry Her. It's beautiful. Seriously, it's gorgeous. So there we go. I'm done. I'm going to keep my hair up as well. It's windy. It's staying up. I really hope you have a lovely day. Sorry if I've been a little bit down. I'm just having to really fight it today. But once I get out there, get me coffee, get all my bits and pieces done, and get over some of the, you know, when you just let things get to you, and I really shouldn't. It's 99% amazing, 1% is a little bit, and I need to just get rid. Do you know what I mean? I think it's natural. We're all homing on that, but yeah. I'm glad the majority enjoy and appreciate every single video that I do. Right, okay, I hope you have a lovely day. Take care, and I shall see you later on. Zoom, zoom.